Hey there, welcome to my course. In this course, I'll teach you how to create realistic 3D models optimized for video games from start to finish, even if you have zero prior experience. We'll start with the basics of 3D modeling and progress all the way to advanced 3D modeling techniques using Autodesk Maya, the industry standard tool for 3D modeling, animation, and VFX. Next, we will dive into UV unwrapping, preparing your 3D model perfectly for texturing. After that, I'll show you how to create detailed photorealistic textures that make your models stand out from the crowd using Adobe Substance 3D Painter. And finally, we will cover the most important step, rendering. Sure, anyone can make a basic render, but I am going to show you how to create stunning photorealistic renders effortlessly using Marmoset toolbag. But that's not all. With over 5 years of experience in gaming industry, I'll share exclusive insights on how you can break into the industry and land a job as a 3D game artist fast. Stop wasting time jumping between random YouTube tutorials. They only slow you down and leave you confused. This course is your one-stop solution to learn everything about creating game-ready 3D models. And that's what makes it truly different from other courses. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and I'll see you inside the course.